everyone, this is Jesmi and we are from Jaedon Junction. And today we are making
easy bread cake.
Yes. The ingredients are whipping cream, which we made with whipping cream powder and chilled milk.
12 slices of bread which we have cut the edges and they're in perfect square shape.
Mixed fruit juice.
Sprinkles.
Thinly sliced apples, which we have put in lemon juice and powdered sugar so they don't change color. And this is for decorating. Now we have to take this whipping cream and put it on the tray. Now I have fully spreaded this tray.
Now we have to put the slices on bread on top. We have to put mixed fruit juice on top. Now put a second layer of whipping cream on top.
Now I am going to add the 4 slices of bread again.
Now it's time to spread the mixed fruit juice again. Now we have to spread the whipping cream over it. It's the last layer of bread.
Now add the juice again for the last layer. Let's spread it on all the sides. Don't forget, or it will not be good. But don't make it soggy.
Cover the cake with the whipping cream.
Completely, right?
Uh-huh.
Great. Now the cake is fully covered with whipped cream and now we have to add the decorations. Now we are making apple flower for decoration. You have to roll this up into a flower.
It looks so beautiful.
Yeah. I am going to make flowers with this. We have to put the apple flowers in the middle.
I'm going to put the last one. Now we have to put sprinkles.
Now our amazing cake is ready. Finally, now we can eat.
I just want to eat it right now.
Even I. Now we made this without baking. That's pretty good.
And it's colorful because it has the sprinkles.
Yes. Now our cake is ready and it looks delicious. You should also make it. Now we are going to eat this cake and it's probably going to taste good. Creamy. Nice creamy, that's why I like
I
it.
can taste the sprinkles.
The sprinkles are good too. Hope you like the video.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.